Day and welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to find the area of a parallelogram. If we look at the shape of a parallelogram, we realize that it has some similar properties, just like a rectangle. The difference is that the sides or two of the sides are slanted. So like this side and that side, they are skewed, slanted, not straight like we have in a rectangle. All right. Other properties seem the same. All right, we looked at the properties of a parallelogram and we did say that the opposite sides are equal. So this side is equal to that side. Also, they are parallel. That is why I've used the arrows to show that they are parallel. Similarly, we have this side being parallel and equal to that side, equal and parallel. So marking here to show it's equal to that side. All right, so this is the basic property of parallelograms. Now remember, in finding the area of any shape, we did say that we need to find the base of that shape and multiply that by the height of the shape, right? So the area, it's the of a 2D shape, actually a 2D, the base multiplied by the height. All right, so we're going to look for the base, which is that side, and that is equal to that side. We just said that. So the base, the height, I'm emphasizing on this. We don't use the slanted height or the lateral height or the lateral side. We use the vertical height always, the one that is right here. So at that corner, at this corner here, the angle formed, when I trace that down, that's a vertical line, this is a horizontal line, an angle of 90 is formed here, right? Great. So that is our height, or the height of the parallelogram. We have another height this side, which is also perpendicular to the line up there, forming an angle of 90 degrees, and it's equal to this line. So these two are the heights of the parallelogram. All right, so to find the area, we need this base and we need the height h here, which is the same as the one I drew here. So it can be given that side or this side, any side you can use to find your area. So in short, our area, it's going to be b, or the base, times the height. So using the symbols to be b times h. All right, let us look at some worked examples. Now the garden that we want to make, it's in form of a parallelogram. It's not a rectangular form, right? It is in this shape, and I'm going to give the dimensions here. Okay, let's take this to be 4 units. This is 12 units. We need, or we want to find the area of this parallelogram. So first of all, we need to know, how do we find the area? Base times the height. So the area is 12. There's no unit, so just leave it as 12, times the height, which is 4. 12 times 4 will give us what? 48. So the answer is 48. Remember, I explained this to you, that whenever you are given the unit, you are given the numbers, the dimensions without any unit, and you're finding the area, your answer should be in squared units. So you write that squared SQ and units in that way. So that should be your answer. 48 squared units in that way. Got it? Great. Similar to a rectangle. However, in a rectangle, the base is called the length, and the height, it's referred to as the width or the breadth. So parallelogram, we use the base and the vertical height, not this one. So the vertical height is what we need and not this side. All right, let's try another example. Finding the area of this parallelogram. Okay, trying to get the height. Remember, the height should be vertical, forming an angle of 90. That is, let's say 8 centimeters. The base, this is 20 centimeters. All right, so just as we did, our area is going to be what? Base times height, BH. Write your formula. I'm continuing from this side. Area will be, base is 8 centimeters, 8 cm, times the height, which is 20 centimeters. Then 8 times 20, 8 times 2 is 16. So we are going to get area as 1/6. We add the 0. Then the units, centimeters times centimeters, will be squared centimeters in that way. Got it? Great. What if we are given the area? We have a parallelogram. The area has been given. We have our height. We don't know the base. We don't know this side. We have our height as, let's say, 8. The area is given as 80 squared centimeters. All right, so now we have to find the base. We said our area is equal to what? Base times height, BH. The area has been given as 80 squared centimeters. The base we don't know, so it's still B, times the height, which is 8. So in short, this is what we have here. We have 8B is equal to 80 squared centimeters. And 8 should also be in centimeters. Okay, so it's 8B centimeters. All right, let's do that for now. Now, we need a number that we can multiply by 8 to get the 80. That is the reasoning behind. Which numbers can I multiply by 8 to get 80? I know you may be thinking of 10, which is correct, but how do you work that out? So we divide, our base is equal to the area divided by the height. So 80 divided by 8 will give us 10, and our answer becomes the 10 centimeters. Got it? Great. So if you are given the area, you need to find the other side. All you have to do is to divide the area by the given side. If you want to find the area, you need your base, you need your height, you multiply them. Got it? Great. Now I would like you to try out the following. Pause the video and work them out. When you're done, come back for the revision. If you need any help, any assistance, please leave a comment. Also, let me know in the comment section if you were able to do this. Have a nice day further. Bye.